The US dollar continues rising amid high demand for cash. The dollar index jumped by 7% over the past 9 trading sessions. On an 8-day basis, it has been growing at the fastest pace since September 1992. Traders rushed to sell all the assets and buy dollars instead due to unprecedented uncertainty caused by the pandemic. The American markets closed lower on Wednesday, and today they continue trading in the negative territory. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is holding near yesterday's record low, having lost 6.3%. The White House stimulus measures have failed to inspire confidence. The growing number of people infected in the United States and around the world fuels the market jitters. The investor sentiment may be improved by a launch of the Fed's line of credit for primary dealers. The launch of this program is expected on Friday. The US dollar continues to strengthen against other majors. Yesterday, the dollar index gained 1.8% and reached the level of 101.54. Today, the index kept trading near this level. At some moment, it even broke above 102. It looks like the US dollar has managed to regain its safe haven appeal in connection with the coronavirus pandemic. As long as global markets are turbulent, the demand for the dollar is likely to remain high. Therefore, the American currency is set to hit new highs. The Philadelphia Fed released the manufacturing data for March data today. The updated statistics will help traders to figure out how the epidemic will affect the American economy. The USD CAD pair is on a roller coaster ride. The Canadian dollar broke above the level of 1.46 against its American counterpart. Neither the positive inflation data nor a package of measures announced by the Bank of Canada could provide support to the national currency. The Canadian dollar came under pressure amid a record plunge in the oil quartz. Today, the commodity market stabilized slightly, but in the afternoon, trades the Brent crude benchmark lost gains and dived to $25 per barrel. Some analysts expect a further decline in oil due to coronavirus and to increased production by Saudi Arabia. Given these destructive factors, Brent and WTI face a risk of collapsing to $10 per barrel. The next meeting of the Bank of Canada is scheduled for April 23rd. However, it's possible that the regulator will hold an emergency meeting and lower the key rate. Perhaps this will happen in the coming days. In this scenario, the volatility of the USD CAD pair will increase. Today, the pair hit the highest level since the beginning of 2016. You are watching Currency Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals. See you tomorrow.